Welcome everybody. In this video, we are going to integrate sine fourth of x. Sine has even power, so we are going to use half angle identity. Our plan is to break sine fourth of x into squared form. Let's start. So our first step is to rewrite sine fourth of x as sine squared of x squared dx. And we're going to substitute our sine squared of x with our half angle identity. So it's going to be 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x. And we have square here, dx. Now we're going to square everything in pink parentheses. 1/2 squared is 1/4, and we can pull it out in front of integral sign. 1 minus cosine of 2x squared is 1 minus 2 times cosine of 2x plus cosine squared of 2x. dx. You can FOIL it here on the side if you wish, like 1 minus cosine of 2x times 1 minus cosine of 2x, or you can use the shortcut formula a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. And our a term here in this binomial is 1, and our b term is cosine of 2x. Now we can separate the integrals. So 1/4 in front of that whole integrals that we're going to separate. So 1 dx minus 2 times cosine of 2x dx plus cosine squared of 2x. And dx. Now we're going to apply half angle identity again for cosine squared of x, 2x here. Let's rewrite everything. 1/4 times 1 dx minus 2 times cosine of 2x dx plus, instead of cosine squared of 2x, we're going to write 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 4x, because we are doubling this angle here. Like we are doubling x and it became 2x. So we're doubling 2x and it becomes 4x. So we're going to rewrite 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 4x. And we can pull the constant 1/2 to the front. 1 plus cosine of 4x dx. Now we can write antiderivatives of each piece. 1/4 is in front. What is the antiderivative of 1 with respect to x? It is x minus 2 times, what is the antiderivative of cosine of 2x? It is 1/2 times sine of 2x plus, we have 1/2 here, 1/2 times, what is the antiderivative of 1? It is x plus, what is the antiderivative of cosine of 4x? It is 1/4 sine of 4x. And we have plus c outside of whole parentheses. Now we're going to distribute 1/4 and clean up. 1/4 times x is 1/4 x minus 1/4 times Negative 2 is negative 1/2, and negative 1/2 times 1/2 is negative 1/4. Sine of 2x plus 1/4 times 1/2 is 1/8 x plus 1/4 times 1/2 is 1/8. 1/8 times 1/4 is 1/32. Sine of 4x plus c. Now we're going to combine the like terms. We have 1/4x here and 1/8 x here. We're going to combine x terms. So 1/4 plus 1/8 x equals to 3/8 x. So 3/8 x and minus 1/4 sine of 2x plus 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. This is the final answer. You can leave it here, or you can condense more by combining the denominators.